no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time it is coming from Outre, and she is in the lace front wig EveryWear in the number 20. I am reviewing the strawberry blonde unit. So she does come with a HD transparent lace. She's safe for heat up to 400 degrees, and she is 16 inches. And the inside, she does have 3 combs and adjustable straps, and I would consider this wig to have a light yaki texture as well. Off bat, she needed a little TLC as far as the plucking of the hairline, but she is a lace front and plucking is up to your discretion.
Yogic.
I wanted to try a different color, but I see that the color and my complexion were somewhat similar. So when going in with my makeup products, you didn't see too much of a difference. This unit def gave wig, but it was a cute wig, right? Fortunately, this video was short and sweet for y'all because this hair didn't need too much work. So this is how I feel about her. I love this color, and I would love to see this color as a curly unit. I feel like curls would do this color justice. Also, she is super affordable, and I found her for under $30. well, $25.94 to be exact, so you aren't missing out on coins. The texture was soft and manageable, so she didn't shed and tangle like I thought she was, because usually you know how blonde wigs work. Overall, she's a cute wig, but I would love to see this colorway in the melted or perfect hairline series as a curly unit, or even this same bob but a different hairline construction. So yes, she necessarily didn't give you scalp, but she gave you easy install and possibly a cute hair hat. So if you got a cute little bucket hat, you know, dad hat, trucker hat, I would like to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Like I said, I will be releasing videos every Monday and Wednesday. I haven't really figured out the times. It's kind of y'all whenever I get up. But yes, it's going to be every Monday and Wednesday, so y'all can check out, you know, a hair review from me, just so y'all know I have a consistent schedule for y'all. I would like to thank Outre for sending me this unit, and like always, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.